Do you want to know a professional quality coating with a simple application that is easy for anyone to use? FLUX ULTRA will be your best choice. FLUX ULTRA is a professional paint protection formula for vehicle body protector with premium nanopolymer and premium sealant technology to provide the best solution for vehicle protection and maintenance. FLUX ULTRA can create a protective layer that can harden perfectly on the paint surface, and the great thing is, recommend to apply a 2 layers coat with a delay of minimum of 1 hour before you wipe it. After 1 hour, the second layer can be applied for much more durable results. It is a very high reflective gloss, extreme hydrophobic and extraordinary durability up to 1 year. The characteristics of nano coating with a protector and coating is long-lasting and suitable for all car paint colors. You can get the effectiveness, gloss results. Very high quality of protection, and this is the best solution if you use FLUX ULTRA. How to use FLUX ULTRA? First, shake the bottle before use. Second, ensure surface is clean and dried. Third, spray directly onto the surface. Fourth, wipe over with microfiber, ensuring it is spread evenly. Lastly, when you wipe, fold microfiber and buff with fresh side.
For more information, contact our admin.
Hurry, visit Premio Malaysia for more info.